गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम एमएससी फाइनल ईयर का फोर्थ पेपर टूल्स टेक्निक में आपके टॉपिक है साइटोकेमिकल स्टेन इन हीमेटोलॉजिकल नियोप्लाज्म के बारे में बात करेंगे। जैसे कोई भी टिश्यू या सेल्स होती है, उसकी फाइन स्ट्रक्चर देखने के लिए हमें उसे स्टेन किया जाता है। तो आज हम साइटोकेमिकल टेक्निक के बारे में बात करें। कौन से केमिकल्स हैं जो कि सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, अलग अलग जो सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स होते हैं, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम होता है, गाल्जी बॉडी और न्यूक्लियस, इनको स्टेन करने के लिए केमिकल यूज किए जाते हैं, उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे। तो पहले हम डिफाइन कर लेते हैं कि साइटोकेमिकल स्टेन क्या है। व्हाट इज़ साइटोकेमिकल स्टेन? तो साइटोकेमिकल स्टेन आर द स्पेशल स्टेन that can be performed on peripheral blood smears and bone marrow smears. They play a very important role in diagnostic, differentiation and classification of leukemias. These stain can be cytochemical stain, that is they use cellular enzymatic reaction to impart staining, or immunocytochemical stain, that is they identify cell specific antigen with the help of antibody. Note, every lab is equipped with cytogenetic or immunophenotyping, and in that case cytochemical stain can be of immense help in identifying the lineage of the neoplasm. Let's discuss various cytochemical stain used in hematology, especially in a low resource setup. First is leukocyte alkaline phosphatase, न्यूट्रोफिल एल्कलाइन फोस्फेटेज भी इसे कहा जाता है। एल्कलाइन फोस्फेटेज एक्टिविटी इज प्रेजेंट इन वेरियंग डिग्री इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ न्यूट्रोफिल्स, इओसिनोफिल्स, ऑस्टियोब्लास्ट, बी लिम्फोसाइट्स, एंडोथेलियल सेल्स। ये जो सेल्स होती है न्यूट्रोफिल्स, इओसिनोफिल्स, लिम्फोसाइट्स, ये सारी ब्लड स्मीयर्स या ब्लड का कंटेंट होती है। दिस एक्टिविटी can be quantified by scoring from 0 to 4 based on the intensity of the staining. The cell that does not stain is given a score of 0, and that has strong staining is given a score of 4. The total score is calculated counting the individual score of 100 neutrophils or bands. Normal lab score range from 15 to 130. The main utility of lab score is in differentiating chronic myeloid leukemia from leukemoid reaction, as both will show a left shift with increased precursors, while leukemoid reaction will show increased lab score. It is very low in CML. Increased leukocyte alkaline phosphatase is seen in leukemoid reaction, pregnancy, or oral contraceptive pills intake. All myeloproliferative disorder except chronic myeloid leukemia, infections, growth factor therapy, Hawking's disease, etc. Cytochemical technique used in staining blood smear. Decreased leukocyte alkaline phosphatase is seen in chronic myeloid leukemia, paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, heredity, hypophosphatemia, sickle cell anemia. Second is myeloperoxidase stain. Myeloperoxidase is a component of primary granules of neutrophils. Monocytes are faintly positive, while lymphocytes and red blood cells lack the enzymes. This stain is particularly useful in a setting of acute leukemia, where positive staining indicates that the leukemic cells are of myeloid origin. The staining depends on the oxidation of benzidine derivatives by hydrogen peroxide, but owing to its potential carcinogenicity, alternative substrates like 3-amino-9-ethyl carbazole or 4-chloro-1-naphthol are being used these days. But the point to remember are the MPO enzyme is sensitive to light and heat, and since the stain should be performed immediately or protected from light and heat, there are immunocytochemical stain available for MPO as well. Third cytochemical stain is Sudan black B, शॉर्ट में इसे SBB भी कहते हैं. दिस स्टेन इज सिमिलर टू myeloperoxidase in the lineage. It stain that is it is positive for granulocyte eosinophil and only weakly in monocytes, but the basis of the stain is not enzymatic. Unlike MPO, Sudan black B stain intracellular lipid and phospholipids which are seen in the cell of myeloid lineage and absence or spare in the lymphoid lineage, and hence can be used to identify the lineage of the blast. However, the blast of Burkitt's lymphoma or ALL3 may show positive staining in the cytoplasmic vacuoles. Next, fourth, cytochemical esterase. There are two types of esterase, specific and non-specific. The specific esterase is naphthol ASD, chloroacetate esterase CAE. These identifies the cell of the granulocytic series. It does not stain lymphocytes and monocytes. It can even be used to identify granulocyte in formalin fixed tissue. The non-specific esterase activity is seen in monocytes. Both alpha-naphthyl butyrate or alpha-naphthyl acetate can used. The cell of granulocytic series are negative with this stain. The alpha-naphthyl butyrate stain more specific, while the alpha-naphthyl acetate stain is more sensitive. In a suspected myeloid leukemia, dual esterase stain can be used as they can simultaneously classify the blast as either myeloblast or monoblast. Monocytic non-specific esterase is fluoride sensitive stain.